On Sunday morning, Mr. Schumacher began with several older horses competing in third and fourth level. Here with Jennifer Bomert, he discusses half-pass preparation.
We have two movements in our riding theory. This is shoulder 4, and that is Reiten in Stellung. I don't know the word of Reiten in Stellung in your language, but actually shoulder 4 is that the idea is you give the horse the bend of a circle, more or less, on a long side. That means if you do that here, the idea is you try, your outside leg is back, we have this flex of neck, what we discussed yesterday, the forehand is a little bit in, it's more an idea, and you try to take the inside hind leg with your inside leg between the front legs. You know, that's the idea of shoulder 4. So do that here on the long side. And this is actually the movement what we should do before we start a half pass. Yeah? We take, after the corner, we take this shoulder 4, and from there we develop the half pass. The charm of this movement is when we do this shoulder 4, we have already the legs positioned. Or that's shoulder 4. Try to get the inside hind leg between it. So, but keep the horse more or less, optically it's almost straight, but it is bent like a circle now. You know, this degree of bend. And now if we take this for preparing the half passes, then we are always, first of all, very well collected. Second, we have a totally determined beginning. We don't come in on a basis which is not 100% determined, and from there we can go for it. And then we do have another movement that is Reiten in Stellung. That would be the opposite thing. Reiten in Stellung would be now, if we stay on the left side, then we give the horse more or less this bend to the outside, crest of neck to the right, inside leg is then the right leg stays in front, and the outside leg, the left leg in this case, stays back, and we bring the outside hind leg between the front legs. This movement has one big advantage. You can make, by this, you can make the outside to the inside. You understand? When you have, maybe you have a horse which is stiff on the left side, and you ride on the right hand side, then you easily come in a situation that the horse starts to become tough on this outside rein, and when you have the Reiten in Stellung, you do that on the long side several times, you always get this left side soft, because you make the outside to the inside. So that is the sense of these movements. And can you do that now? It is difficult to see, but the moment you see it and I explain it, I think that will help. So the Reiten in Stellung, yeah, like this, good, that's fine. And now shoulder 4, turn him. Oh, see that? Oh, very good. Not too much, not too much. Shoulder 4, Reiten in Stellung. Yeah, that's good. So, and that is almost invisible. If you do that as a rider, a judge, if you do it very carefully, a judge shouldn't see it, you know, in a horse show. And then it's fine. But then you get this control in the horse. You can see a little bend to the outside, to the inside. If you look at the neck muscles and you see the flex of the neck there, then you know that the rider is doing it.